Hey guys, want to do a quick video on this OBS. This is OBS I found on Facebook Marketplace. It's a 94 GMC and it has the SLE package in it, which I assume means a little bit better interior. So we got power doors, door locks, door windows. From what I can tell, it has full trim, everything. And check out this dash. There's not a single crack on it. The speaker grills have fabric on it. It's watch out, bud. It has the original tape deck in it. It's all original in here. Pretty dirty. Okay, don't put the coins in here. Put them on the seat. And it has this shenanigans done to it. So I'm not sure what to do about this yet, because this monster C-notch means the bed has to be, the floor has to be notched. I just found this locally. I was going to get it for the interior so I can complete my other truck. But man, I got it. He actually delivered it sight unseen and is in a lot better condition than I thought it'd be in. So the bed's in pretty good shape. I mean, look at that tailgate. So I got it super cheap. There is no rear suspension. It's just has some random axle on it to be able to move it. So I'll figure out a plan with this. I'd like to have a C-notch in it, but the standard size C-notch, so I can just put the bed back on it. I don't care about laying frame. We got a little bit of rust right there in a cap corner, but it's pretty good. This door is nice and straight, just the trim's loose there. And even this plastic is in great condition, but I'm missing all this. Drivetrain I don't care about, of course, but core support, bumper, inner fenders, hood hinges. I mean, the fenders for this is like $80 a piece, so that's pretty cheap. The hood's $150, where you get one used. Core support, I'd rather just find a used one, so that should be pretty easy. And this door has a dent here. It's pretty substantial, but the inside door panel comes off. You can get good access. You can really pound that out and get it in decent shape. Original paint, and it's not bad. I mean, you buff it, it'd come right out. Even got the original GMC manual. It says 1988 right there. I thought this was a 94. Let's look at the other door. The VINs, I don't ever remember the letters of it. I could swear he said it was a 94 in the ad. I don't really care. I'm not sure. In 88, wasn't that still a square body? I thought 89 was the first year. Anyways, I'll figure out what year it is. But everything is in, I mean, the interior is in such good condition. You just clean it. I got a steam cleaner too. I can do it in it. He has the day off. He's not feeling too good, but he came outside to get some fresh air. But not a bad truck. And then I was testing my brother's mirrors out. This is a junk one. So I pulled off the mirror here. And these are the mirrors he uses in the Pro Touring trucks. And I think we can figure out a way to make these work on the OBSs. And it would look awesome. It'd really modernize it. I mean, the mirror's gone and stuff like this. Like I said, this is a a junk one he had, but we just got to adapt it. I believe that triangle piece is metal, so that's good. I don't want it tucked too far in, really have it stick out a bit so you can see a bit more. But that'd look awesome. What are other clues to this so I can tell the year? Yeah, I know I can decode the VIN, but it's a 1G something.
No, Betty, no.
All right, just a quick video on this truck I bought and trying to decide what I want to do with it. Let me know in the comments if you guys have any ideas.